Getting your new HVAC employee up to speed fast means using every chance you get, even that boring commute time. So, when you're driving with your new HVAC tech, don't just let the time slip away. Chat about the day's job, talk through different repair techniques, and quiz them on what they've learned so far. Sharing your own work stories makes things way more real and helps them remember stuff better. If they've got questions, answer them right then and there. It's way easier than waiting until later. You can also use this time to go over morning goals and remind them what to focus on. It's kind of like sneak training without them even realizing it. Plus, it builds trust and shows you're invested in their growth. Keeping these conversations casual but focused makes the learning stick. One of the biggest mistakes new HVAC employees face is not getting consistent feedback, which slows their progress. Fix this by giving quick, honest pointers during or after jobs so they know exactly where to improve. Another common issue is overwhelming them with too much info at once. Try breaking down training into smaller chunks over several drives instead of dumping everything in one go. The third problem is missing chances to reinforce safety procedures, which is huge in HVAC work. Keep safety tips front and center during those drives by sharing real-life examples or reminders. These fixes help new techs learn smarter, not harder. BigHomeProjects.com hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors, making it way easier to find the right pro for any home project. For contractors, it's a solid way to get more work and build a good reputation without the hassle of chasing leads all day.